Fuji rapping Polo. Back again. What? This is poison, so be alert and cautious. Those who act courageous, you will get nauseous, infected, or contaminated. Turn on your stereo and become radio activated, deadly and fatal. Poison the title, my recital hits the parts that are vital. So tune in the tone of beats and bones. Polo's headphones becomes a skull and crossbones. Pull out the Q-tips, clean out the earwax. If you're still hard of hearing, I'm a scrubbing with Ajax with maximum drum. So behave and remember, you're a slave to my sound wave. Faster rhymes, I mastermind. I have to find a new method, time after time. Write a rhyme quick when I pull out my big pen. Stick to an idea that sounds real slick then. Put it on paper, cause I make you hyper than any other rapper. Cause I keep my rapping riper like cherries, or some say berries. Mandatory for the auditorium's glory. Here's the story, rappers getting leery to hear me. G speaks in a new technique of fury. Combination of drums and noise and yo, 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 Polo, yo, this is poison. 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 Look the lights on the mic, you should get off. You're a rip-off, I'm a rip-up, get rid of. Cause you bit off, bite off, ate off, imitate off, they get paid off. For G-Rap to get laid off, get up, sit up. The butter up now, buttercup. Male or female, shut 'em up, oh, shut her up.
Yo, you heard what he said, shut the hell up, man.
Yeah, hide my lines cause you pick 'em up. Rob me blind on my rhymes, you might as well have said stick 'em up. Letters of metaphor, matters the better, the fatter your pockets. Rhymes blast off like rockets. Rhymes will be replaced and beats erase in case a rap will try to trace. Hardcore bass, it's made in a minute. The sky's the limit for reaching the goal and the dream. Wouldn't you wanna be in it to win it? Fighters are want it like animals hunt it. Soon as I get 'em, I hit 'em. I done it to the suckers who fronted. The rappers who made it and did it. Forget about winning the battle, cause I'ma shake, rattle, and roll a little something for girls and poison. Yo, yo, Polo, my man, yo, this is poison. Read the label, sucker. P-O-I-S-O-N. Yeah, poison. 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 Check it out. A mind designed to find a rhyme that's right on time. One step beyond and not behind the line. The separates dull from divine. Take it as a caution or a warning sign. But for antonyms, words I'm blending them, harming them, synonyms, good like M&M's. With Polo, and while he's slicing, I turn the mic's last name into Tyson. My brain is like a factory, constantly creating material stitch by stitch with decoration. Lyrics are fabrics, beat is the lining. My passion and rhyming is fashion designing. Now it gets ordered, cause people wanna sport it, you bought it. If you didn't, then you couldn't afford it. Poetry full of surprises, just like a game show. And my brain glows, just like a rainbow. Rappers and poets, they already know it. G-Rap is a terror, not an error. And never will I stop reaching for better. Whether wheels of steel or real to real, G-Rap will make you feel the real deal. I usually rap hardcore, and I know that you're thinking of mine somehow semi-so. When you're partying, girls and poison, remember Fuji Rap, the butcher and Polo is poison.